Here I've got HUAWEI GX8 and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at first just switch off the phone, tap on power off to do it and touch it one more time to switch off your phone. As only it's shut down, just tap on power key and volume up key and hold both keys all together until you see the logo. Now you can leave it and just wait a couple of seconds. And now you're in recovery mode, from which you can reboot system now, you can wipe data or wipe cache partition, so you can use volume up and down to navigate, and for selection use power key. So to wipe cache partition, just select the last option and tap on power key to do it. As you can see, it has been formatted, and now we can reboot system now and go back to the normal usage of this HUAWEI. Just tap on power key to select reboot system now. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done, so you just perform the wipe cache in your device in your HUAWEI GX8. Congrats! Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.